In today's video, I will teach you how to use the Heal tool in Gimp. Let's get started. If you've ever taken more than one single photo, you've likely encountered imperfections that need fixing during post-processing in Gimp. The Heal tool, which is similar to the Clone tool, is a user-friendly option for such touch-ups. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use the Heal tool in Gimp. First, press Ctrl-Shift-N or Command-Shift-N on Mac to create a new layer and name it Healing Layer. Make sure that the Fill With option is set to Transparency. Now, switch to the Heal tool by using the keyboard shortcut H or finding it in the toolbox under the Clone tool. Alternatively, open the Tools menu, then go to Paint Tools, then select Heal. Now, we're going to select your source. Choose a smooth and blemished area as your source point by holding Ctrl or Command on Mac and clicking on it. Experiment with different source points to find the best fit for your image. Now, enable the Sample Merged option in the Heal tool options to recognize multiple layers. Then adjust the settings such as size, edge hardness, and force to control the healing intensity. To begin the healing process, start with single clicks or short strokes. Make sure to also use zooming shortcuts for precision, and make sure to avoid large strokes initially. You can also experiment with the source point to witness a transformative impact on your image. And to undo the changes, you can always press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard. This method allows you to perform healing on a separate layer, preserving the original pixels. The Heal tool with its customizable settings proves to be a powerful and effective tool for enhancing the visual appeal of your photos in Gimp. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.